got it, guys. Killer, killer. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC, guys. Getting ready to take up the Hacker Models Edge, the older version. You guys have been seeing I've been doing a lot of fun with it, doing a lot of practicing. This thing is very capable. It is. We're going to be running a 3S 2200 is what we got in there, guys. So, and you guys know I've been flying it on 4S, but it does good on 3S. Plenty of power, do what you want. It actually does good with the lighter battery. That it does. Yeah, about it. What was that?
I think it sounded like the wire fucking got hit by the propeller.
Alright.
Same thing happened to mine, and I talked to the stick. Yeah, I seen your report. Yeah. I'm looking though, that thing really cheap. It's under $30. Yeah, that's probably. You know, I've already put another one in. I noticed that there was a one. Yeah, but the I know.
Fun playing, guys. It is. It's super fun. Oh yeah, got it, guys. Killer, killer. Oh yeah. That's awesome, guys. This thing's fun. It is. Tried to grab it, but I couldn't. Try it one more time. It's harder than it looks. It really is, guys. Harder than it looks. Okay, we're not going to try to catch it. Battery's got to be getting pretty low, guys. There we go, guys. There we go. Another successful flight with the good old Hacker S, guys. You doing some practice with it. I love practicing. It does kill her, guys. Especially on 3S. Like I said, that's 3S 2200. And you see it does kill her. So, anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget that like, share, and subscribe button. Till we do it again, stay fine and God bless. Bye, bye, bye.